Oh, nice cat. Right, sure, yeah.
Oh, they're all
Right,
off.
so what's that?
Yeah, yeah, I've got it.
Together.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Which is nice. Okay. Off in the blinds and shoulder there. What have we got left?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
On the far side of the
Yeah, I've got it.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Little stint is standing right, almost by that black-headed gull that's tuning. So. Let's go off. Done around it at the moment. Yep. And it's the shorter, straighter bill.
Yeah.
Yes.
Would you like to have a look through here? You'll be able to probably see it better.
Oh, thank you. It might be a bit short.
And see that you might be able to see the nicely scalloped bark. And there are,
Lovely little spot, isn't it?
yes, there are 4 enough. Should be.
Oh.
Yes, so the 2 now over the top of the hill.
Because I'm a bird brain, and I can't remember. Have you done anything? Right. I'm a bird brain, and I can't remember. What was the name of the bird?
The middle one is
Yeah.
the little stints.
Stint, that's it.
But there are, can only see one of them there at the moment. So where's the other one? They were both together. The other little stitch is now over on the red stuff.
Oh, okay. I've got the 2.
Well away from the one over there.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 2 curlew suns at the moment. Together.
Yes. I have carefully placed my car keys on the roof while I sort
Oh.
things out when I get back there.
Yeah.
And then when I've just stopped the one that's just flown over to the window.
Yes, I thought that.
There's another one there. That's sweet.
What happens is common sandpiper in there as well, right?